wala ba dito, guys?
Hello?
Oy, Han.
Hello?
Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, my ear is kind of busy. I just get up. I was awake at 4 o'clock and then, and I went to, I fall asleep after 5, almost 6 o'clock. I fall asleep. I watch Twilight Zone and then I just realized, oh my god, it's 7 o'clock. That's why my head is hurt. Every time I get up late, guys, my head start hurting. So that's how I realized. And the dog climbing on me like, wake up, wake up. Roxy, climb on me. And then I let them out. I'm so happy that now they start eating here. Now they're eating. The two of them are eating. It makes me happy, guys. Because they usually don't eat anything. Now they eat because there's no extra. There's no dry food around. In the other house, we put dry food, on the floor, like, in their dish. They just eat, which is really good, girls. With your breakfast, it's good. Go, go out, go. Roxy, go, it's cold. Why you smell something in there? Roxy keep sniffing in there. That means somebody's in there. What is it? You smell something in the door? You never did that before. It's 8:54 in the morning. After having lunch, after having breakfast, I edit the video. I don't wear headset when I'm alone here because I can edit without headset. And every time they hear their name, every time they hear my editing, like I'm talking to them, Roxy stop and Misty, like they listen to me like I'm talking to them. It's just so funny. So that's really it, guys. What's up, It's already 12:10, guys. I was talking to Tommy and he told me the delivery is gonna be here supposedly later this afternoon, but Tommy said probably it's gonna be here, but a little bit early, I think. But yeah, it's coming here. And I was so hungry, guys. I don't eat last night. Last night I just ate 2 pieces of turon, and when I get hungry, this morning I ate egg and pancake, and I kind of hungry. Of course, it's already lunchtime, and you know what, guys, I'm cooking again the giant string beans, the batong palitaw. And yeah, so this is the last palitaw I have. And yeah, so this is the last one I have, and the next time probably it's gonna be a long time if I go back to Asian store. Maybe that's why every time my father eat this one, his knee is hurting. I'm gonna tell him that. I don't know that. I'm watching Captain Philip. Maybe you seen it already. It's hosted by Samarian people. I just finished my lunch, and it's kinda, I'm waiting also for the people to come over here. And what do you want? What do you want? I know. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you. Somebody ask, leave a comments in my video from yesterday, from this morning's video, yesterday's vlog. That she asked me why there's a lot of kalat here. There's a lot of mess. It's a mess. You know what, guys? If you see in the other house, it's more messy. But I just want to let you know, if you are new in my channel, yeah, this house, we bought this house this year, April, and we're not moved in yet because the process is very slow, and so that's why it looks like this now. There's no proper furniture. The box over there, it's with file boxes. We're not moved in this house yet, and the other house is more messy. If you will watch my previous vlog, you know. But I keep going back and forth to this house and to the other house. So, if you watch my vlog, I'm sometimes there and sometimes here. So today is a TV day for me. I'm just been watching TV. It's 2:30, 2:26 already in the afternoon. Oh, okay, the Equalizer. That's what I'm watching right now. Exit. I don't really usually watch TV, like watch the whole thing and movie to the other movie, and you know, I usually just watch and do something, and you know, whatever, I sit down, I look. But it's not always. But this time I edit already videos this morning. I did it early, and after that I was just, you know, doing nothing, waiting for the package. And it is 4 o'clock and 41 minutes, almost 5 o'clock. I'll try to lock, and let's see. You guys stay here, huh? So, let's see yung lights on na, guys, kasi parang madilim na eh. So ito din, oh. I-check ko lang tong kung meron dito, kasi usually ano nila to yung doorbell. Okay. Wala pa dito, guys.
Hello?
Oy, Han.
Hello?
Han.
What are you doing, Han?
I'm checking in the garage.
You what?
I'm checking in the garage.
Checking for package?
Yeah. Tommy is talking to me through doorbell. You see the camera? Guys talking to
Yes, Stevie.
the doorbell.
Stand by for late seating.
Yeah, I'm just checking. I'm curious why they're not here yet.
Hi, Han. To see you have one film.
Yeah, I'll talk to you later.
Okay. Hi, Han.
Bye.
Love you, Han.
I love you too. Bye. Bye. Oh my God. He saw me walking in the front porch, and he talked to me. I said, the first time, guys, the first time that Tommy say hi to me. Well, the first time we installed that thing. It's so funny. I jumped like, who the frick is that talking to me? So I'm gonna keep watching this one. It is 6 o'clock. It's really 6 o'clock, guys. Look. Finally came in. I've been waiting. So finally came in. There's 4 boxes this size. So yeah, this one right here, and there's more right here. Misty, ay na, gahig ulo, di maminaw. Oh my God, it's 8 o'clock already, guys. 8 o'clock in the evening. I'm trying to do the package. It's pissed me off. I'll let you know when it's finally done why it's pissed me off. It's like I'm trying to open it, try to fix what's, install the thing, but it's pissed me off. Sige guys, magbibihis muna ako guys kasi alas 8 na ng media. I kinda dizzy guys. And come here, down, come here. You guys wanna go out for the last time? That you need to do your business there? Is that it? You guys, it smells good. Oh my god, it's really cold. Misty. It's really cold, guys. Like, it's you think the freezer is so cold, right? This is more freezing when I don't have socks on. So I'm gonna go to sleep, guys. I am just gonna lie down. Oh my god, it's cold. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed and I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye guys, see you in my next vlog. Bye.
Dun, 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 dun.